This is a quick video about how to save a bookmark from a database into Diigo. And it's really, really important that you make sure that you follow all of these steps exactly as I am describing them, because otherwise you will be really frustrated by the fact that you really can't get back to where you need to be. So the first few steps of saving this bookmark are just like we would normally do. So if I found this article and I wanted to make sure that I saved it, I would go up to my Diigo extension. I would click Save Bookmark, and I can go ahead and add tags. So this is about ocean pollution. So I can have that. I might add a tag that has to do with the environment. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save, but then down here over on the side, do you see how there's all these different options for things? Well, I'm going to do two things. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the cite button. And what this is going to do is this is going to bring up for me all of the different works cited that I could possibly have. And here is the MLA works cited, which is the first thing that I need. So I'm going to grab that, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go back up to my bookmark, and I'm going to click Edit Bookmark. And then what I can do is, you'll notice that as soon as I copied that, it went ahead and put in that works cited page in my description. If yours, for whatever reason, didn't load that, you can also go through and you can change that yourself. So it's in there. So I'm going to go ahead and save that again. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down over here on this left-hand side, and I want to click on permalink. And so this permalink, if you grab this, this is the link to this actual article inside this Explora database. What I don't want to do is bookmark this link up here. The link that's up here in the URL has all of these different things that I've already done. It has all the different clicks that I've made. It has lots of different things. And so if the link that's up in the URL is what I keep in my bookmark, then when I go back to my bookmark and I'm trying to find my actual text, it's going to take me somewhere else. And it's going to say that we can't find exactly what you're looking for. What you have to have is this permalink. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back up to my bookmark. I'm going to edit that bookmark one more time. And then where the link is, I'm going to click that button. So did you see how when I click it, it actually pops up the link down here? This link right now is the same link that's the URL at the top. I want to delete that. And I want to paste in my new permalink URL, and I want to save that. Okay, so what that'll do is make sure that every time I go here, it actually has the correct URL that I'm supposed to have that takes me directly back to this article. From here, you can do all of your same things, annotating, adding notes, whatever, but when you are actually in your Diigo library, that will take you back to where you're supposed to be. Thanks so much. Make sure to follow these steps every single time that you use something from any database anywhere.